You know one fact about me? Have you even watched me yet? I'm Zach. I can roar.
Did you ride Space Mountain?
Yeah.
And what were you saying about Space Mountain?
Oh, if you're a kid, don't even ride it. Just don't ride it, please. If you're a 5-year-old, just don't ride it. If you're 5 years old.
It's too much for a 5-year-old?
Yeah, maybe even 6-year-old.
Yeah?
And if you're a 3-year-old or a 1-year-old or a 2-year-old, do not do it.
They probably wouldn't be tall enough, would they?
No.
Do you know how tall you had to be to ride it? 44 inches. And how tall are you? 45 inches. And you get to ride in a car right by yourself, don't you? In a rocket, you were in the middle seat. Daddy was behind you.
Yeah, but I still didn't like it at all. I was covering my eyes, but then I kind of like peed. It was great. Actually, I opened my eyes. And let's get away from this speed.
What do you have there?
Oh, a bubble maker. You have to do it like 60 seconds or something.
Did you push it up or down? Yeah, you push it up. Oh, there they come.
For some reason, I like it. You hold this.
You want me to hold it?
Hand sanitizer.
It's not hand sanitizer.
But make sure you get one of these bubble makers.
Want to talk about Peter Pan's flight?
Oh, yeah.
That's where we're at now, huh? Peter Pan's flight? Are you going to tell them about it?
Well, we actually went on the adventure. It was pretty cool. The bad guy was trying to get out of the croc's mouth, and the croc got him. So he's trying to get out. But it was awesome. It was so awesome. It was so cool. But I think you should ride this when you get here. But really, we're trying to sell you to go to get stuff.
We're just trying to sell you to go to get stuff.
Yeah, and go somewhere where I want you to go, because this is the awesomest place in the universe. It's so cool. But guess what? We're not actually watching this on TV. Look, this is actually for real life.
Yeah, we're not watching this. We're doing it, aren't we?
Yeah, we're actually doing it. And we're going to do Bears Jamboree, whatever it is. But I had to go TT. Now I left. I just had a left. So never mind. I was going to talk about this place. Alright, so this.
So what is this ride up here in front of us?
The carousel.
Yeah, did we do that earlier?
Yes.
Is it pretty cool?
We did every single ride here.
Yeah?
Less fun. And I have some gummies which I think we're going to sit down with our lunch and have that. My gummies. Oh, of course. I was just putting my bubble maker away. So, I really don't like this thing. Ow, 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 ow. Well, this is Disney World for you. Birdie! Hey, Birdie! Birdie! Crazy.
Which ride is that?
Runaway Mine Train.
Oh, there it goes.
That. Seriously, it's really fun. I accidentally get it too tight, but my head was just jerking a little, but my body wasn't jerking at all. But I really got it too tight. I didn't like it. I didn't enjoy the ride, so
Yeah.
I'm going to do it again, totally.
Yeah. Okay.
I think here comes another runaway mine train. Yeah, that part, I was freaking out. Yeah, I was freaking out. But you should ride this one with me. The first one you're going to do is either Runaway Mine Train or Thunder Mountain Railroad, which is where's that log ride? Whenever you see some thorns, it's right by there. That's the water ride. But do you think we should see more?
Yeah, let's keep walking.
All right. Let's do this. We're expecting that. And Dad, this is Runaway Mine Train line. Not long at all. Seriously, it's not long at all.
Is that the line, you think?
Yeah, that's the line actually.
Yeah.
It really is the line. So let's stop in the line. It's not too long of a wait at all. So we're going back to Runaway Mine Train. We're going to the line. We're going to zoom right in here and zoom right out because there's nobody in the sign. Going against those. All right, let's wait. Come on, we're going in line. We have to do this. This is such exciting. I love this ride. So let's just do this. And there's Little Mermaid. Yeah, Barnstormer is what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Barnstormer. What is it? Barnstormer. Right there. It's pretty short, so don't go in. Why did I spit? No, this way. Let's show them all this.
Okay.
Two, the bathrooms over here too, with all of this. So these are the juggler monkeys, the clown monkeys, right there. This, and there's the elephants, and these here, the giraffes. And here's the caboose. Oh, I mean the fire. Oh no, these are the firefighters.
Oh yeah, clowns. Yeah, the firefighting clowns.
Monkey.
And monkeys on top. That's right.
Alright, let's keep going. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Look, camels and giraffes. I think those are supposed to be these are camels. They like being hot. I wish it was camel because it's very hot. Very hot. Now, let's go back here. I think there's one, but look at this. How's he using the Why is he doing that?
It's not very good firefighting equipment, is it?
No.
It has a soap dispenser, and one has a fire hose, and one has a horn. You can't fight fire with a horn and a soap dispenser.
But you can with a hose. He knows. There's bananas on his hat. Yes, he likes bananas. Well, guess what? Another funny way would be fighting fire with a banana.
Oh yeah?
A banana.
What's right?
Splash Mountain and Runaway Mine Train and Thunder Mountain.
Okay. Let's do it.
Bye.